Welcome to Roladel Business. In this channel, we provide tips based on diligent analysis and research to ensure that all our viewers are financially stable in one way or another. So today we're going to give a quick review on the two best websites for better stats and prediction. It is 100% free and accurate, and at the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus website which you can use to generate more money for free. Without too much time, let us go straight into our review today and check this website out. But before that, if you like to make money online by watching into videos like this one you're watching now, check the first link in the description below. Let's start with the number 2 on my list, which is this particular site. You can see that it's very free predictions and it also has betting tips. It has betting tips of all kinds and it's free accumulators. I tell you guys, this website is very free. There is no paid version except you want to go and support this particular one with this. You can make thousands on this website using all these predictions, and also it has statistics and predictions. Now, maybe the free predictions are giving you the game you want to present on. It's not on this list. You can also go directly to the league game. You can see, for example, let's say you want to bet or you want to place a bet. Let's say it's in the EPL. Let's go to the league. As you can see on the return, you can see the seed, and they also have loads of game math analysis. So there are a lot of things you can do with this game so that you can make more profit. They also have many things, many predictions available for you. So before I forget the name of this website, the name is prediction365.com. So go ahead and check it out. Now, let's move back to our number one, the number one website on my list, which is potential.com. Potential.com always have profit in mind and recommend predictions on games on every day of the week to ensure bettors, especially for those in Nigeria, have returns on their investments. Potential prediction options include the double chance, minimum of and maximum number of goals, GG, and the rest. You have probably experienced losses in the past, but as you bank on potential predictions, losing will be a thing of the past. I know why this potential holds this top one position as the best sports prediction website in this video, because I know what they can do, and it's the one providing accurate prediction on real football event daily. This site has been highly rated by the various people who have taken part in frequent betting, most especially those using Bet Niger. They give you the most likely outcome of a football match with history, facts, and other factors considered to support their prediction to minimize the probability of losing. You also have access to the site's free catalogs. You can also sign up for a premium plan by paying bank deposits and debit card. And I love this website because of the many profit opportunities following. Now, before I go, let me give you a bonus website because you stay with me to the end of this video. This is predictset.com, and this predictset is a well-known football prediction website with a global audience. Users can get free football tips and forecasts from this website for all football leagues, including lower divisions in Brazil, Germany, Austria, and other countries. They have different features available on the site. Go to predictset.com and check this out. Now, I would like you to subscribe to Roladel Business because we're going to be sending you different tips on how to make money online legitimately, including more betting tips in the future. So please, thank you for watching and bye for now.